I've really enjoyed being out in the, well, I'd call it like a forest, I don't know what other people would call it, and being with nature, being in the mud, feeling the ground, you know, grounding myself, you know, and just enjoying the nature, which I absolutely adore and love. And so being able to help and support, you know, being able to, you know, cut down a few birch trees and what have you, prepare logs, plant trees, which we did a few weeks ago, which I really enjoyed. And I'd love to see how quickly these trees grow. So it's been really nice meeting some lovely people. And I must admit that I was a little bit anxious what sort of people I'm going to meet, because I don't know people that well, you know, here, I mean, that is. But I thought to myself, if it's people coming to do nature thing like this and help the land, there should be nice people, and they will. So it's been great, yeah.